Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Delhi weather briefing. The rainfall, thunderstorm, and hailstorm activity over northwest India and East India, which occurred yesterday, is likely to continue for next 24 hours, and there would be significant reduction in the thunderstorm activity over both the regions, northwest India as well as East India, from tomorrow. So, under the influence of yesterday's western disturbance, which was roughly along 60 degree of longitude, and there was north-south trough extending from northwest India to south peninsular India, which was giving moisture into the lower tropospheric level moisture from the Bay of Bengal, and the WD was giving middle and upper level upper tropospheric level moisture from the Arabian Sea, and under the influence of that, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall, light to moderate rainfall has occurred over Haryana, Punjab, East Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, and East and West UP as well. Also, the East India, that is Bihar, Jharkhand, and Gangetic West Bengal, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and Sikkim, and Odisha has experienced scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall during past 24 hours, ending at 8:30 hours IST of today. Heavy rainfall has been observed over at isolated places over Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha, at Jajpur district of Odisha, and at West Midnapur and Murshidabad districts of Gangetic West Bengal. Also, hailstorms have been observed over Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, and over northern parts of Delhi. So today again the western disturbance is lying as a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and neighborhood, and a trough is extending from this cyclonic circulation to northwest Arabian Sea, and there is a cyclonic circulation which is of course the induced cyclonic circulation over northwest Rajasthan and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels, and there is another cyclonic circulation over central parts of Uttar Pradesh extending from this cyclonic circulation. There is a trough up to Telangana across East MP and Vidarbha. And there is another trough extending from Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim to North Odisha, and a cyclonic circulation over southern parts of Assam and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels. So, under the influence of this, as we saw in the headline of this weather briefing, that over northwest India and East India, as we have shown by orange color over here, that fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate rainfall activity along with hailstorm activity is likely to continue during next 24 hours. Isolated hailstorm activity is likely over East Rajasthan, over especially over northern parts of Punjab and Haryana, over Uttarakhand, and over Uttar Pradesh also, and over J&K and over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. There is also likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall. Then, if we come over to East India, then over all these orange colored regions, hailstorm activity is likely during next 24 hours, as well as there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall over northern parts of Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and Sikkim, and over western parts of Assam. Then from tomorrow, the activity over the northwest India would decrease significantly, as shown in this 1st April warning graphic color. Only the color is over yellow color over only Punjab, Haryana, and the Western Himalayan region, and also over East India the color has been reduced from orange to yellow. And over northeast India, the isolated heavy rainfall is likely to extend to Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura as well, and it would continue over Assam also for up to 2nd of April. So for 1st and 2nd of April, over all three subdivisions, there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall with fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate rainfall. Then again, we are expecting a western disturbance from the night of 2nd of April, and under the influence of which there is again likelihood of scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall over western Himalayan region, that is Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand on 3rd and 4th of April, and over along with the thunderstorm activity over the region, and also the hailstorm on 3rd of April, and also there is a likelihood of isolated thunderstorm activity, as well as isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall over North Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and West UP on 3rd of April. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.